Hello everyone and welcome to our another video. This video is about will Cristiano Ronaldo leave Manchester United? Historically, Jorge Mendes has only spoken about potential moves. Who is Cristiano Ronaldo's agent? Jorge Mendes has always had an incredible power when it came to Cristiano Ronaldo and the transfer market. Yet, the fact that the Portuguese super agent has publicly claimed the forward is very happy at Manchester United is both unusual and worrying. Manchester United are facing a crisis in which their team appear not to be working as a cohesive unit. And Ronaldo is being questioned as being the root cause of the problem. Cristiano Ronaldo is very happy at Manchester United. Jorge Mendes explained in an interview with Sky Sport Italia. He is going to continue with his solid and great performance. As always in his career, it is going to be a great season for him, I am sure, Jorge Mendes said. Ronaldo is considered as one of the greatest footballers to ever play the game. However, he can't escape Father Time's clutches, and never before in his career has he been in the crosshairs of critics. Real Madrid went through bad periods while Ronaldo was in the team. But nobody dare ever suggest that the Portuguese captain was the problem. His goals were too important and there were so many of them. The risks to Real Madrid of Ronaldo leaving just not worth thinking about when he was in his prime, and Mendes would only speak when Ronaldo wanted a new contract. The player had this power, the leverage of him potentially leaving allowed him to dictate terms at the Santiago Bernabeu. Now, the fact that Ronaldo is not important for United is uncharted territory for him, and perhaps why Jorge Mendes has been pushed into action. Jorge Mendes may be trying to keep Ronaldo at United. Mendes may have spoken to try and force clubs to improve Ronaldo's term. In this instance, it is highly probable that he is simply trying to stop United from trying to move him on. There is not another club that would pay him an equivalent salary, as his only realistic option you feel now would be to MLS, the Major League Soccer. Being at Manchester United keeps Ronaldo in the limelight, perhaps more than even Juventus this. And it would be disastrous for Jorge Mendes if United were to decide to move forward with a younger forward line, especially as reports of an interest in Julian Alvarez emerge. Till now, Ronaldo has no chance of leaving Manchester United.